Hi everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Vybz Kartel's appeal verdict is set for next week. The incarcerated dancehall entertainer and his 3 co-convicts will know their fates next week Thursday when UK Privy Council judges will deliver the verdict in the murder appeal case. A notice on the UK Privy Council website today indicated that the judgment will be delivered at 11 a.m. Jamaica time and will be live streamed. The appeal hearing was held over 2 days from February 14. Jury issues during the trial appear to have been the primary concern of the UK judges and is expected to be the main issue influencing their decision. The appellants were represented by a 9-member team. Now it's New Music Friday. Savannah drops her first single for 2024 and the Songbird laid her Vanna in a dancehall style moniker to rest, returning to her reggae roots for the release of her new single Keep Going, Chosen. The track, which tells the story of perseverance and determination, sees Savannah laying down angelic melodies beautifully blended to deliver an ethereal sound. In a release, the Keep Going singer shared that she often finds herself listening to the track when she needs to remind herself of her power and purpose. She went on to add that as people, we all experience those low moments, and the track serves as a vehicle to navigate those moments.
Chosen, look in the mirror.
It's been a long time coming, says Nigerian singer Ira Star, as she reflects on African music receiving its own category at the Grammys. Speaking with Billboard News recently, the Rush singer stated that the introduction of the category has been long overdue, given the reach of the genre and its impact on the world.
It's been a long time coming because African music has been it. It's been popping for such a long time. Afrobeats has been taking over the world. I feel like this is very validating for everybody that's put in efforts for this. African music has taken over the world.
Yes.
It's literally the best genre in the world. Okay, so yeah, it was a long time coming.
Ira, who saw immense success with her 2022 hit Rush, also shared on the continued success of the song.
It's trending again on TikTok. I released it like 2022.
It's inescapable for the past 2 years.
I'm telling you, like people love the song so much and it's reaching like new places. Like I think in the Philippines, it was #1 in Chad like yesterday again. Like it's top 5 in like at least like 10 countries right now.
Now, the Argentina communications group Cross Country Invasion is taking over St. Elizabeth and Mandeville this weekend. First, tonight, we're in Junction from 9 p.m. to midnight with the Hits 92 FM squad. Then on Saturday, come out as the road show goes across the parishes. Also on Saturday, bring out the Family 4 or Family Fun Day and Sports Day at Manchester High School. Then it's off to week 2 at Haddington New Testament Church of God in Trinani. See you on the road. That's it for your weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.